The Pantanal wetland is the largest tropical wetland in the world. It is located between the states of Mato Grosso and Mato Grosso do Sul in Brazil. Some wetlands are in Bolivia and Paraguay, with a total area of 242,000 square kilometers. Every December to May is the rainy season in the Pantanal. During the rainy season, over 80% of the area will be flooded. The best time to visit the Pantanal wetlands is from July to October, when the rainfall is at its lowest. Animals gather around the shrinking lakes and rivers. We have chosen September to embark on our journey to search for jaguars in Pantanal. Fly to Cuiabá City in Brazil and then transfer to a travel van to Pantanal. The distance from Cuiabá City to Pantanal is approximately 1,287.5 miles by road. Pass here to officially enter the Pantanal. What follows is a long dirt road connected by a rugged wooden bridge. We rested overnight on the way and continued our journey the next day, when we started an 11-day journey to search for jaguars. Our camp in the Pantanal Hotel Pantanal Norte is on the banks of the Cuiabá River in the Porto Jaffa region. To avoid the high temperatures at noon, we departed at 5 o'clock in the morning, returned to the camp at around 11 a.m., departed again at 2 p.m., and returned at 8 p.m. In the early morning, the staff helped to move the equipment to the speedboat. To avoid insect bites, take protective measures. Our speedboat cruised the Cuiabá River in search of jaguars. Jaguars are usually active at night and rest in the bushes or caves during the day. We spotted one hiding in the bushes. We stopped the speedboat and waited silently. The jaguar started to move and walked along the riverbank. As one of the largest felines on land, the jaguar is robust and muscular. Everyone was excited to see the jaguar for the first time. It was walking towards us, getting closer and closer to our speedboat. Amidst the excitement, there was concern about whether it would suddenly attack us. Near noontime, the weather was unusually muggy, with temperatures soaring to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. The speedboat raised the shade cloth and continued the search for jaguars. We spotted another jaguar hiding in the bushes. The body shape of the jaguar resembles that of a leopard, but is more robust, with more developed muscles and broader shoulders and hips, giving it a more powerful and imposing appearance. After a short break at noon, we set out again to look for the jaguar. A sleepy jaguar was yawning. Even the jaguar was sleepy in the afternoon heat. Sleeping jaguar. The speedboat continued flying down the river. We stopped the speedboat, and there were jaguars crossing the river ahead. The jaguar has a pair of strong forearms and hind legs. Pads on the soles of the feet, able to climb trees and swim. When swimming, the jaguar's muscular physique becomes even more pronounced, giving it a stronger and more robust appearance. Jaguars are solitary animals, living and hunting alone most of the time. But during the breeding season, male and female jaguars come together to mate. There were a male and a female jaguar entangled together today. But unfortunately, it was already sundown and we could no longer see them. Here, we saw what the guide told us may be a pair of twins, who often travel together. A very rare sight, and can be described as a deep brotherly bond. The jaguar plays an important role in the cultures of South and Central America, being regarded as a sacred animal and symbol. Ships arrived from all directions to watch the jaguar hunting a caiman here. The sight of a jaguar hunting a caiman is one of the most thrilling scenes of animal predation, and everyone was eagerly anticipating it. The jaguar showed unparalleled agility and strength in the fight with the caiman. It attacked the caiman violently and attacked the caiman's head with its sharp claws. The jaguar is now dragging the killed caiman into the bushes to enjoy its meal. This gentleman seems to be looking for something, but this is too dangerous, as he may become the target of a caiman or a piranha at any time. Jaguar watching on the shore. Observe carefully, this jaguar seems to have just engaged in a fight, and there are still bloody wounds next to its ears. Ferocious, mighty, and intimidating, the jaguar is an apex predator. But the jaguar also has a playful and gentle side. Sometimes like a naughty kitten, very cute. It has been assigned many roles in myths and legends, often symbolizing invincibility. But today the jaguar needs human protection. And the road to protecting the jaguar is still arduous and challenging. The Pantanal wetland is one of the most biodiverse areas in the world, home to a variety of wild animals. Caimans, capybaras, giant otters, jabiru storks, tapirs, anacondas, macaws, and more. A more detailed introduction will be provided in the next videos. Searching for jaguars is a process of patient waiting, tracking, tension, and excitement. We were lucky enough to see most of the jaguars in the wetlands. We had an unforgettable 11-day journey in the Pantanal, Brazil.